Early. Happy birthday, early birthday. Lamb truck, no cap, first one in America. Happy birthday, early birthday present, Lambo truck, and you the first one in America with that motherfucker. I gave it to you today because if I waited for your birthday, somebody else could have had one. You know what I mean?
Oh, well, thank you. God, first and first, I'm just happy you're okay because you had me so worried.
Lamb truck, man, we the first ones to do it. No cap. Shit getting ridiculous around here, y'all. I'm talking about ridiculous. Lamb talk like my brother Huncho. Yeah, I just cashed that on the, you know what I mean? Let's get nasty with it. Let's get nasty. I ain't done. Big screen here, another screen now. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty in the Lamb truck. You know what I'm saying? All y'all boys out here capping, you know what I mean? Rapping and capping. Yo, we the first ones in America. Dig that. Yeah, eat that. Chrome Heart drip. You know what I'm saying? Chrome Heart. Yeah. What's up, man, though? Let these folk know we got we charging the high for the puppies. Yes, sir.